Alright, I'm going to continue with this set of problems that we had just a second ago. So look at this for a second. We have this bit of geometry here where we have these two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So we're saying that line 1 and line 2 are parallel to one another. We know that the measure of angle 2 is given to us as x degrees, and the measure of angle 6 is given to us as 3x minus 60 quantity degrees. And we're asked to find the measure of angle 3. So here's the measure of angle 3. Here's one thing that we could do here. You know, we could do this. We could do this. We could use these as vertical angles here. How do you want to do that? No, I think I'm going to do this, because in the last problem we solved, we took this like this, right? And we figured out that, excuse me, that this is, we figured out this angle here. And the way we did that was that we said that x, so we said that 180 degrees minus x degrees, because it says here that the measure of angle 2 is x degrees. So this is x degrees. So minus x degrees is equal to the measure of angle 1. And we did that math and we found out this is 150 degrees. Now what I like to do is just use the same idea here and say, now what I want to do is go from here to here. So I want to go from here to here. Stay with me if you don't mind. From here to here, and then from here to here, and then we get this straight line, don't we? That makes sense. So if you're good with how we figured out the first, and this is the same thing, isn't it? This kind of proves that this vertical angles theorem says that vertical angles are congruent. They're the same angle. And the reason that's true is because this is 30 plus 150, and 150 plus what gives us 180 again. So the measure of this angle is 30 degrees. And we can prove that a ton of different ways, can't we? All right, let's move to the second half of this. And it says measure of angle 5. That's even easier, isn't it? Because if we know that this angle is 150, what I'm trying to say to you is that these angles are corresponding. These are corresponding angles right here. And what I mean by that is if I could pick this whole darn thing up, if I could pick this up and just move it up, I'd say, look, it's the same thing, isn't it? So I move this back down, and hopefully you can see that angle 5 and angle 1 are the same thing. They're parallel to each other, and they're cut by the same transversal, so this angle is this angle. So if this angle is 150, right, by extension, this angle's also got to be 150 degrees, right? They're corresponding angles. Corresponding. Okay, look, I hope this is helpful. This is going to be really important as we move forward, okay, you guys? So keep up the good work. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please.